Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily play Tower of Fantasy on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the first link. When you're gonna do it, you'll end up right here to Ldplayer, and Ldplayer is an amazing emulator that is going to help you play games on PC, and you want to click download Ldplayer. Now in the moment you're gonna have it, like you want to install it, and I prepare like installation video, download Ldplayer, then you're gonna press install. And then you need to log in here, so you need to go to Home, System Apps, Play Store, and Tower of Fantasy, and you want to play it. So you want to log into your Google Play Store, and then you want to find the game, and now we're just gonna play it. So that's how you're gonna install it. And then you're gonna have keyboard on the right side, and you're gonna find like everything is prepared, and to actually find it is to press F12. If you're gonna press F12, you're gonna find all the settings that you need. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.